Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Endo Farhan, a first semester master student in the Faculty of Information Engineering at Tadulako University. I will present by my semester with a data mining course. Okay, my first assessment. This journal encrypted network traffic analysis and classification utilizing machine learning by Christian Tipantuna. How machine learning technique work. This article reviews various recent studies and methods applied to the three main areas: the Internet of Things, mobile application and device, and encrypted website. The author explained the important stake in machine learning network classification, from data collection, feature extraction, model training, to system evaluation and implementation. Additionally, the journal discusses case challenges such as network dynamic, computational complexity, privacy issues, and the need for continuous model update. Its conclusion: machine learning based approaches have proven effective for detecting anomalies, identifying encrypted traffic patterns, and maintaining network security without compromising privacy, while also opening new avenues for research in modern cybersecurity. Okay, second assessment. I am exploring data detection system for orthopedic patients. The system uses a biometrical dataset developed by Dr. Hendrik Damota in France. The dataset contained 6 biometrical attributes and data from a total of 310 patients. These are the visualization consistently show outlier with values more than 400, which may be due to data entry error, possibly because the patient was suffering from a chronic condition. The attribute decreased spondylolisthesis had the strongest correlation with the class. This suggests that it could be the informative attribute for building a predictive model in the system. Okay, my third assessment. I obtained this dataset from the UCI machine learning repository, which often use the research related to network security and internet traffic analysis. This data set consists of approximately 65,000 traffic flow records passing through an institution firewall, where each record represents a connection with information related to the source and the destination port, the number of bytes sent and received, the number of packets, the connection duration, the protocol used, and the TCP/IP protocol flags. The following is a graph of firewall action distribution of action columns, showing the most traffic is allowed with approximately 37,000 allowed action, indicating the most connection successful pass through the firewall. Meanwhile, approximately 16,000 traffic items experience denial action, meaning they were explicitly rejected. approximately 16,000 traffic items express denial action, meaning the while express rejected approximately 13,000 items experience discard action. Which were discussed without responding to the source. Both actions were recorded very rarely, indication that this type of action is rarely used in the network traffic management. The firewall logs show the traffic is dominated by small, short connection with a few anomalous connection generating much large volume of data visible from the DIN curve at the peak. This image shows clear outliers. There are several points far from the main cluster, indicating connection with very large traffic or long duration. This shows that there are a few connections that last a very long time, which is very different for typical connection. Example, video streaming, large file download, or long login session. Okay, this is my fork assessment. The log linear model, particularly through the graphical local generic algorithm approach from Rhodes and GAO 2023, serves an efficient data reduction method by filtering association pattern from large dataset through sparse graph selection based on the posterior probability. The Rabi reducing data size while representing important information structures for further exploration in data mining. My fifth assessment: analyze a classification dataset using RapidMiner and Python. This is Iris flower dataset. Contain 5 attributes and 150 data points. I referred to a previous study titled Study for Iris Classification based on multiple machine learning model. As a benchmark for comparison, the classification testing was conducted by 5 times used different algorithms, including Canir Snakeball, Superfactor Manning Machine, Logistic Resistant, Decision Tree, Random Forest, and Multilayer Perceptron or MLP. The data used for replication is Urban over dataset containing 507 data points and a total of 16 attributes, with the attribute variable repeat for each quarter scale starting from scale 20 to 140. Tested with the random forest. According to the result, the table above, the accuracy and kappa values match the original result from the model. Therefore, it can conclude that the replication was successful. Comparison between the two platforms display side by side, which have nearly identical accuracy and kappa values. Okay, this my next task was to use the internet firewall dataset with to the discussion tree algorithm. This image above is a repeat mirror image. In this image, I conducted a test with the accuracy result from discussion tree and Python, which had almost the same values when used the same dataset. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.